Welcome to my channel, and today I'm just going to take you through a simple morning practice using affirmations. It makes a huge difference. So with that said, let's begin. Either lay down or sit in a way that is comfortable to you. Soften your palms onto your thighs. And just connect to your breath first and foremost. So inhaling and exhaling through your nose at a steady pace. And we'll have a few minutes of affirmations. And then I'll let you know when it's time to come out. Simply stay with your breath, allowing it to guide you a little bit deeper. And let's begin. I am calm and centered. I am in love with life. I easily handle whatever comes my way. I have all the answers within me. I am a money magnet. I love every cell of my body. I am at peace with life. I am filled with creative energy. I appreciate those closest to me. All is well and I am safe. I am a magnet for miracles. I am productive and prosperous. I allow myself to play and be silly. My creative potential is endless. I am grateful for all that I receive. My healing is already in process. I allow abundance into my life. Joy is my birthright. I deserve to be loved and respected. I am unique and it is my greatest strength. I am a vessel of love. I am healthy, happy, and radiant. Life supports me in every way. I celebrate my inner and outer beauty. I choose kindness and compassion. I am loved and supported. My confidence inspires others. The more I give, the more I receive. I speak my mind with clarity and compassion. I am grounded and stable. Gently bring your hands together at the front of your heart, maybe lifting to the third eye. Together we bow forward. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis. Have a wonderful day.